Hey guys, it's Liz, and in today's video I'm going to show you my current skincare routine. So what I do in the mornings, what I do in the evenings, and what I use to take off my makeup. So if you have a skin type like mine, which I am dry to normal, a little bit sensitive, and acne prone, this might be the video for you. If not, it might just be informational on these products that I use. So if you want to see that video, keep on watching. Starting with what I do in the morning, I wash my face every morning and I like to use the DermaDoctor Kakadu Brightening Daily Cleaner, Toner, and Makeup Remover. I like that it's all three, so I don't have to use three different products to do one thing that this can do. I like this cleanser because it's gentle enough on my slightly sensitive skin and the brightening effect that it gives my skin. So I like to use this product in conjunction with my little scrubby. I believe I got this at Walmart and it comes in a 2-pack and it's like, I don't know, $3 or $4, but I like that it's soft. It's not like really hard bristles, but I use this in the morning with my cleanser, and I also use this at night with the cleanser I use at night that I'll show you guys later. After I wash my face is when I go with all my creams and lotions and whatnot. And just as a warning, once again, I like to mix products. So I feel like if I'm using one, I can probably get rid of the other. But for me, personally, I like to mix them together. It's just what I do. I like to mix things. So with saying that, I like to mix these two products in the morning for my skin. The Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. I really like this because it has vitamin C, so it gives me that brightening effect once again. And then the SuperGoop City Serum has sunscreen in it, so it's good for your skin to put sunscreen on. Wear sunscreen, people. You will thank me later. But I like using these two in the morning. Just one pump of this and then one pump of this, and then just I mix it in my little fingers and I just dab it on. It makes my skin feel really good, and I like that I have a sunscreen in the morning. For my morning eye cream, I like to use the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. I love this eye cream for the morning. It's a gel consistency. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very, very, very hydrating. And since I like to bake underneath my eyes and I have dry under eyes regardless, this makes a difference in my makeup application. The last step in my morning skincare routine is this, and I can't say enough good things about this product. It's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This, if you have dry skin, this will make a world of a difference on your skin. It's not too thick and it's not too thin of a consistency either, but it makes your skin just feel so plump. So moving on to what I use to remove my makeup, because most days I wear a full face of makeup, so you got to take the makeup off before you can cleanse your skin. So I like to start off with removing my eye makeup, and for that I'll use some sort of eye makeup remover. This one's just like the off-brand one, but I know there's many companies that have an eye makeup remover like this, and I'll use a cotton pad, not a cotton ball, but a cotton pad, and just douse the living crap out of that cotton pad and just set it on my eye for a good 30 to 45 seconds, and then just gently wipe away all the mascara and the eye makeup I have. So I use this for my eyes, and then for the rest of my face, depending on how much makeup I have and if I'm going to take a shower. So if I'm going to take a shower, I'll use the eye makeup remover first, and then I'll use Dermalogica's PreCleanse. And this is a cleansing oil, so you just pump a little bit in your hand, just massage it in your fingers, and then just watch the makeup just melt away. And then after I do that, I jump in the shower and then take it off. But this I've been liking for about a year now, and it's so good. It doesn't break me out, and it takes off all your makeup. But if you want something that's a little bit cheaper than this, but still does the job, I've been testing out Burt's Bees cleansing oil, and this one also does the job. So that is scenario one. So if I'm going to take a shower, I'll use those two products. But if I'm not going to take a shower, I'll use the eye makeup remover, and then I'll use a wipe. And I love these wipes. This is also the off-brand. I'm a fan of off-brands just because if you read the ingredients, they're the same. So I, in my mind, don't understand why I have to pay a higher price point. for a name brand if I can get the same thing with an off brand. But these are the nighttime soothing makeup remover towelettes. I like these because they do take off my makeup, and typically I'll only use one to take off a full face of makeup, just front and back of that makeup wipe. But these ones, if I'm not taking a shower, are the bomb. So those are the things I like to use to take off my makeup. So moving on to the nighttime skincare, it's a lot. I do a lot at night. Once again, scenario one, if I'm taking a shower, I'll go in to the shower after I do all of my makeup removers and stuff, and I'll go in with this. This is the Murad Age Reform AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. I love this product because it's an exfoliator, but it's a gentle exfoliator, so you can use it daily if you really need to. But I use this in the shower just because, I mean, I'm already wet. Might as well just use a cleanser in there while I'm at it. But I've been using this for about a year or two now, and it's really helped with my texture on the skin. So I like that. Scenario two, if I'm not taking a shower, I'll still go in with my makeup removers and then the towelettes, but I'll go in with this product. And this is the Murad Time Release Acne Cleanser. When I was younger, I had a lot of acne, and I would use all of my skincare that was for acne prone skin, and that dried out my skin. So now when I'm older and my skin is still kind of acne prone, I just have one product in my skincare routine that's designated for acne prone skin, and I've been liking this. It does keep my acne at bay. I like this product also because it's gentle enough to use every day. But if I am taking a shower, I'll use both because I'm that person that uses both. So this one will exfoliate my skin, and then this one will keep my acne at bay. Okay, so now that we have a clean face at the end of the night is when I go in with all of my skincare. There's so many products. First, I'll go in with a toner, and I've been using toner for a long time now, but I've kept changing my toners up. And so far, this one has been the best toner I've found for my skin. It's the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Toner. And it's for all skin types, but it leaves your skin so hydrated. I love this about this toner. It says, this mild yet effective toner for all skin types helps refine surface texture while providing the ideal preparation for classic ultra facial moisturizer, or in my case, any other moisturizer. But it does help with the hydration of your skin and the texture of your skin. So I've been using this pretty recently, about 6 months now, and I really, really like it. So after I toned my face is when I go with another little concoction for my nighttime. I like to mix the No. 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Serum. And I like it because it's nice, it feels good on the skin, I like all the benefits. It does lift and illuminate. As I've gotten older, I've noticed some forehead wrinkles popping through. So I've been trying to avoid that, and this has been doing a pretty good job at that. And I mix it with the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Re.Pair Serum. I like this product because it is for sensitive skin, but it's also for sensitive skin and redness. So if I have any redness on my skin from any acne or any flare-ups that I would have, this does the job for it. And this is one of those products that I'm like, it's a little pricey, but I have to have it because my face at the end of the day sometimes can look a little red and a little irritated because I would get little bumps along my jawline. But these two is what I start off my nighttime routine. For my nighttime eye cream, this is the only thing I have found that works miracles, and it's the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Eye Cream. If I had to choose one thing for my nighttime skincare routine, it would be this. This is by far the best eye cream I have found. It reduces the dark circles in your eyes. It gets rid of like the little fine lines. It's great. It feels moisturizing on the skin. There's so many good things about this product that I can't even fathom. I love this eye cream, and I will not stop using it until I find something that's better than this eye cream. So the last two items in my nighttime skincare routine, I know there's so many products in my nighttime skincare routine. You would think, wow, Liz, you take about 30 minutes to get ready for bed. And you're right. But this nighttime cream is so good for so many reasons. It's the Origins High Potency Nightamins. You got it? Mineral Enriched Renewal Cream. And it is thebomb.com. Like if you have any texture on your skin or you have those little white bumps that you might get from some sort of irritation, put this cream on at night and they will disappear the next day. Like I kid you not. This cream is so good, and a little goes a long ways. Like when I mean a little, like you just need like the tip of your finger for your whole face. I love it. This by far is my favorite thing besides the eye cream that I do at night. Last product in my nighttime skincare routine is a fairly new product because once I turned a certain age, I thought, maybe I should start using a neck cream. So I started using this neck cream, and it's the Badescu Vitamin ADE neck cream. And for me, I thought maybe I should start a little bit lower on the price range. I don't really need a neck cream, but I should start preparing for that need. I like this neck cream just because it keeps my neck moisturized. I haven't seen a really big difference in the term of like wrinkles or like lifting or anything like that, but I needed something that would keep it moisturized and not start to flake, because I sometimes have the tendency to break out on my neck, and this has been doing a really good job of just keeping it hydrated, keeping it nice and, you know, good. But this by far is the newest addition. The last thing I like to do at night, which is totally optional if it's not something you want to do, but for me, I like to condition all aspects of my face, which includes my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So for that, I'll use castor oil. And I already have thick brows and long lashes to begin with, but since I started using a lot more makeup, I thought, hey, maybe you should condition and nourish those parts of your face as well. And I thought, oh, okay. So then I started using castor oil. And this is just castor oil that's for your skin. There's castor oil that's not intended for your skincare, but this one is. And so I'll use a disposable mascara wand or even like a cotton swab and just put it on my eyebrows and my eyelashes and let it dry a little before I go to bed. And it keeps my lashes and my brows nourished, and it keeps them from falling out, which I've noticed happens a lot when you wear waterproof mascara all the time. So this has been a very helpful, and it's a good tip if you want to start growing out your brows and your lashes. Use this. It's a very cheap alternative to like one of those serums that you can get. So yeah guys, that is all of the products that I use in my skincare routine. It's a lot of products, and I consider myself a little bit of a high maintenance person, but these products work for my skin and make my skin look good. So I will continue to use these products until I can find better products or until something else occurs in my life, like age. We're all getting old here. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments on my videos or what you want to see from me next, shoot those down below. But until next time, bye!